Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Thank you. Yan. Can you see now the our
Yes,
screen?
sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Shi, for reminding me. All right. So ito yung ano natin, ano? Ito yung joins. Okay. So I said, copy paste niyo yung ano, yung pag-import ng dataset para may record kayo para when you review this, guys, alam niyo kung ano yung code ng pag-import ng CSV file na order at saka ng customer. And then we viewed it, ano, view, para ma-generate tong spreadsheet na to. So let's take a look first at our data set. So si customer data set natin, it's a record of the customers. Ang mga first name sila, tapos kung anong city sila. So all in all, there are 91 customers. Okay? So sa database management, usually ganyan ang ginagawa, no? Merong isang data na kasama ng lahat ng customers, tapos may isang data din na pwedeng yung products, no? Lahat ng products, yung unique list ng mga products ando doon, tapos pwede yung isang data din na ando doon yung mga stores, okay? And then nakaseparate sila. And then, tapos may mga transactional data set. In this case, ito example, order. Ito mga transactional data set, no? This is a transactional data set where you have here, okay, ID, order date, and the amount of the transaction. So, si ID, guys, this is the customer number, no? Andi dito kay customer yan, yung ID number. So, ito yung common sa kanila, no? If you take a look at order, si customer ID number daw, nung July 2, 2016, bumili ng 364. Notice, hindi na linalagay dito yung first name at saka city ni customer. Ang linalagay lang si ID number. Okay, do we know who this person is? Yes, guys, kasi may customer data set tayo. Ando dun yung reference ng ID number na yan. Okay, and then if we need data or data set na ando dun yung mga information na yun, then we use SQL. We use SQL where we join yung mga data sets. Okay? So by now, I hope, guys, that you have at least a elementary background of database management. So hindi pinagsasama-sama sa isang table lahat ng mga details yan kasi it will be very, very huge. It will be a very huge table, tapos highly inefficient yon and medyo unmanageable. So database management requires that you have different tables, different data set for different primary keys. No? All right, so we're going to work on this, itong dalawang to, order at saka customer. Okay, so let's go back to our markdown file. Okay, we'll have a review of the inner join. Okay, I think inner join pa lang, I'm not sure. Nakapag left join ba tayo, guys, last time? Hindi, ano? Inner join lang tayo. Okay, let's do inner join. Okay, so what does the inner join do by way of review? Well, it returns the columns from both tables. So pag nag-inner join tayo, we expect that the resulting table consists of the columns of both data set, of both tables. No? So kunyari, i-inner join natin si table 1 at saka si table 2, then yung inner join nila will be a combination of both columns of tables 1 and 2. So i-join sila. No? So the technical definition is an inner join is the most common join operation. Ito yung pinaka gamit, no, yung inner join. Intersection to ng dalawang tables used in applications and can be regarded as the default join type. No? Yun ang default join type. In other words, kung join lang ginamit na command, understood na inner join yun. Inner join creates a new result table by combining the column values of two tables. So you have table A, table B. Pag in-inner join natin sila, i-combine natin yung laman ni table A at saka ni table B. So again, for example, if table A has 3 columns, Okay, kunyari ID, column 1, column 2. Tapos si B naman, 3 columns din, ID, column 1, column 2. Iko-combine yun. Yung laman ni table A at saka ni table B. Of course, hindi na i-replicate si ID. No? Kasi common sa kanilang dalawa yun eh. So this is based upon the joint predicate or joint verb. The query compares each row of A with each row of B to find all pairs of rows which satisfy the join verb. When the join verb is satisfied, column values for each matched pair of rows A and B are combined into the result row. Okay, so ito yung technical definition, but of course, guys, it's easier to understand this definition by running the code. Okay, so dalawa yung ginawa ko ditong codes, guys. Ano? Ito yung hindi tayo nag-create ng object. Okay, inner join kagad. Okay, take note, inner join, then this is your left table, this is your right table, and then ano yung key na i-join natin sila. Okay, so let's take a look again at our table. Si customer, may ID, may first name, at saka may city. Si order naman, may ID, may order, at saka may amount. So pwede silang i-join kasi may commons sila, no? May common sa kanila itong ID number. Okay? So what does the inner join do? So si inner join, ipagsasama-sama lang sila, no? Yung mga common sa kanila. Okay, so let's run this. I purposely, guys, I was tempted to not to give you the code. Kaso in the interest of time, I decided just to give you the code. And anyway, nasimulan naman natin ng discussion ng join last time. Para this is more of an appreciation and deepening of our understanding. So tingnan nyo tong code na to, inner join. Okay? Again, guys, this will not work kung hindi pa natin na-require si dplyr. Kasi si inner join from dplyr yan. So if you try to run this code without having required dplyr, this code will not run. So tingnan natin yung syntax, guys. Inner join, tapos yung left table natin, si customer, yung right natin si order, and then by ID. So ang sinasabi natin dito kay R, inner join, ibig sabihin yung common sa kanila, ipagsama-sama so that we have now a new data set where you have the combined columns of both tables. So let's run this. Okay, what happened, guys? Remember, si customer, tatlo yung columns, ID, first name, city. Si order naman, tatlo din, ID, order, date, at saka amount. When we inner join this, pag in-inner join natin sila, pagsasama-sama yung mga columns sila. Of course, kasi common naman yung ID sa kanila, hindi na mag-a-appear twice yan. No? So ang mangyayari, yung ID na common sa kanila, and then yung column na present kay customer, which is first name at saka city, and then yung columns na present kay order, which is order date and amount, okay, they are joined together. Okay, let's take a look at this. Ano yung unang laman dito? 2. No? 2. Tingnan natin kay customer, no? What's the first element in customer? Anong ID number, guys?
1, sir.
1. Okay, pero dun sa ginoin natin, okay, bakit walang 1 dito? Guys, bakit walang 1 dito? Akala ko gino-join natin sila. Answer?
Bakit sir, one has no order, sir.
One has no
orders.
Order has no 1. No?
Yeah, the order data has no number 1. Yeah.
Yes, correct. Oo. So tama, no, kasi pag inner join, guys, yung common dapat sa dalawa. Tingnan niyo si customer. May 1 siya, pero si order wala naman, di ba? So hindi pa pwedeng isama natin si 1 dun sa inner join. Dapat yung common sa kanila. Alright, kaya tingnan natin. Okay, let me I-sort nga natin to. Yan, okay. So si order guys, meron siyang 2. Ilan yung 2 niya guys? Ito bang 2 na to guys, meron kay customer to. Hello? Yung ID na to, yung 2. Meron
Yes,
ba?
sir.
Meron to kay customer, di ba? Kaya tingnan natin dito. Ayan, 2. Sino yon? Si Marcela from Colorado. Tapos, yung 2 na yan na nakay order na may 12/28/2016 at saka 2/35/37, kinumbay natin yan kay customer na Marcela, Colorado. Ito yung order date niya at saka 2/35/37. Okay? Tapos, tingnan natin si order, may 2 na naman siya. Eh si 2 ba guys, meron kay ano yan? May customer? Meron?
Yes, sir. Again, kay Marcela again, sir.
Ha? Sorry?
Is it Marcela again, sir?
Oo,
Na
2.
two.
ID 2 di ba? So, iisa lang naman yung ID 2 na yan. If you take a look at the customer table, may unique IDs yung bawat customer. So, si ID number 2, si Marcela pa rin yan. No? Right? Pero si order, dito dalawang beses umorder si Marcela. No? One was on December 28, another one was on August 31. So pag ginoin natin yan guys, 2 times mag-a-appear dito yan kay inner join. Yan. Okay guys? Tapos next, kay customer ba may number 5? Yes. Dito ba sa order natin, may number 5 din dito? Yes. Isang beses. Huh? So yung isang beses na yan, isang instance ng order na yan, which also is here in customer, lalabas yan kay inner join. Yun. Clear tayo guys? Clear? So
Yes,
whatever you find in customer na common kay order, lalabas yun. Lalabas dito sa inner join. So that's the yung common sa kanila. Okay? So here you have hindi natin na-summarize, no? Okay. So, all right. So, what we can do, guys, if you want, so i-cross ko lang to, i-close ko lang. Yung usual na ginagamit natin, guys, we create an object, di ba? So, I'm calling this customer order by ID inner join. No? Okay, so just to make sure that we understand what this code is giving us. Okay, so what do we do here? Una muna, guys, we use the customer table. And then, what do we do? Inner join natin. Sino i-inner join natin? Si data na order and then by ID. And then i-view natin. So this code is similar to this code, guys. Yung code na to, hindi lang nag-generate ng object na customer ID inner join. Dito nag-create tayo. So if I run this, okay, then this object is created. All right. Okay, can you see, guys? So sa inner join, what do you notice? Ilang entries ang meron natin dito? 55 entries. And what do you notice? Meron ba mga missing dito? May mga missing tayo na values dito. Class, meron? Wala.
Yes, sir.
May
Oh,
missing
wala.
ba? Wala eh. Kasi dapat common sa dalawa. Dapat meron yung dalawang yon. Kung wala kay order yon, hindi pa pwede yun ipasok. Kung wala kay customer, hindi rin pwedeng ipasok yon. Ano yung basis natin? Yung ID. Ha? Tinitingnan natin yung ID. So, again guys, for the last time, okay? So, yung ID 1 na to, andi dito ba kay order yan? Wala. So, hindi papasok yung order, yung ano, yung ID 1 na yan. Itong 2 guys, meron ba to? Oh, meron dito. In fact, dalawa nga eh, di ba? So common, itong transaction na to, common kay customer at saka kay order. Ito rin guys, by way of ID, yung ID tinitingnan natin. Common din yan kay customer at saka kay order, kaya ipapasok to. Ang result guys, ipagsasama yung column ni order at saka ni customer. Okay, inner join. Pareho, i-combine. Ang result natin, yung column ni table A at saka nito table B. Ang table A natin dito si customer, ang table B si order. Okay, experiment tayo guys. What if iba ba yung result kung ano? So I left that blank, no? Okay, mag-insert tayo. What if the order of appearance is changed. In other words, guys, ang gagawin natin, unahin natin si order, tapos si customer. Sige, mag-insert nga tayo guys ang code R. And then let's copy this. Control C, Control V. Okay, ano bang bago dito? Unahin natin si order. Order muna. Tapos si customer. ID inner joined, and then make sure to change this order muna, guys, yung left table natin, inner join customer. Okay. Then i-view natin, copy ko lang to. Control C, Control V. Okay. Without running the code, guys, what do you think will happen? Will we have a different answer?
The answer will be the same, sir, but the order on how it will look on the table will be different.
Okay. Okay. So essentially guys, pareho lang siya, no? Kasi ganun pa rin naman yung hinahanap natin yung common kay order at saka kay customer. Kaso nga lang, ang maging kaibahan niya ano. So let's run this. Anong kaibahan guys? Nauna yung columns ng yung left table which is order. Diba? As compared to this one, inuna yung columns ng left table which is customer. But essentially guys, okay, they're the same. They're the same. Exactly the same. So, nyari ano natin tong ID, okay? So inayos ko lang yung order guys, yung sinort ko lang si ID. Oh. 22566 the same as 2256777. 56777. Okay? So kapag inner join guys, the order of the contents of the resulting table is the same. The only difference is that yung appearance ng mga columns natin. So if the appearance of the column matters, then unahin nyo yung ayusin nyo yung pagkasunod-sunod, yung ordering ng left at saka right in the way that you want the output to appear. So for example, in our case, if we want the first name and the city to appear first, then unahin nyo si customer. And then order. If you want this time yung order date at saka amount to appear first, then unahin nyo si order. All right, is that clear guys? Any questions? Okay, then let's go now to left join, or the complete name is left outer join. Yung kanina inner join, ito naman guys, outer join. Okay, that actually tatlong klaseng outer join, no? Left, right, at saka yung full. Okay, so ano naman yung left join? It will also include columns of both databases, no? Yun ang similarity nila with the inner join. However, anong difference nila? Si pakibasa.
Sir?
Kindly read yung...
The results of the left outer join simply left join for table A and B always contains all records of the left table A, even if the condition does not find any matching record in the right table B. This means that a left outer join returns all the values from the left table plus match values from the right table. If the right table returns one row and the left table returns more than one matching row for it, the values in the right table will be repeated for each distance row on the left table.
Okay, so again, guys, this is the technical definition, but it's best to understand this by an example. Okay, so same thing, guys. We'll do the code without giving the name, without creating an object. Ito naman, mag-create tayo ng object dito. Sige, so again, guys, si customer, left join daw si customer, and then si order. Okay? I-join natin sila. Ang basis natin, si customer muna, tapos si order, tapos ang key natin, yung ID. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so I'll give you a few seconds to look at the result ng left join. Anong ginagawa ng left join? And then we can, before we analyze, we can run this. So we created an object, customer, order, ID, left join. No? So yung deploy R code natin, customer first, and then we left join it with order by ID. And then we view this. Okay. So what do you notice, guys? What's the difference between inner join and left join? Okay, by way of review, yung inner join, guys, kung ano lang common sa kanila, no? Kung ano yung common sa kanila, yun lang dapat yung papasok dun sa object natin, sa data natin, and then ikino-combine natin lahat ng mga rows ng both tables A and tables B. Okay, ito naman, what's happening? Notice, ando dun din yung apat na columns, no? Apat na columns. But what do you notice? Si first name at saka si city, ano meron natin? What do you notice about them? Scroll down nyo nga, guys. Ano notice nyo? Kay first name at saka kay city. Notice na kompleto sila, no? Right? When I say complete, ibig sabihin, may first name at saka may city lahat ng mga 104 entries na to. But, what you notice about order date at saka amount?
There's no data, sir.
May mga missing data sila, no? May mga missing data sila. Ang question, saan nanggaling yan? Bakit may mga missing data? So what's happening in a left join? Okay, tingnan natin balik ko si customer. So si customer, okay? So ilan yung elements ni customer, guys?
There's 91 entries, sir, and 3 columns.
91, di ba? 91 and 3 columns. Tapos si order, ilan? 300 and 3 columns then. Okay? So when we left join this, ano mangyayari? Sino yung quote-unquote bida, guys?
The customer, sir. There's only...
Okay, tama. Si customer yung bida, no? Alright. So ano mangyayari dyan? Kunyari, itong 1. Okay. Meron ba tayong 1 kay customer?
No, sir.
Kay customer, may 1. Kay customer.
Yes.
Meron, di ba? 1. Okay. So, pasok to guys kasi si customer ang bida, siya'y masusunod. So, dapat kasama to dun sa left join. Okay? Left join, tapos ang nasa left si customer. So lahat ng nakay customer dapat papasok. So itong one na to guys, papasok dapat to. Ang question, meron ba yung kay order? Meron ba siya kay order? May one?
No, there's none, sir.
There's
For
none
one.
guys. There's none. So, ipapasok pa rin ba siya? Yes, kailangan pa rin siya ipasok kasi nakay customer yon. Diba? Pero ano naging result? Take a look. Oh, pinasok natin si Juan, ando dun yung first name at saka city. Pinasok pa rin natin si order at saka amount, pero wala siya kay order. So, NA siya. Kuha guys?
Yes, sir.
Gets? Okay, next. Tingnan natin. Okay, si 2. Papasok to Papasok dapat sa left join to kasi nakay ano yan eh. Tingnan natin kay order. Oh, may 2 ba dyan guys?
Yes, sir. There's 2.
Yes, dalawa. So dalawa tong papasok na to. Right? Kasi nakay customer yan eh, si 2. Yung dalawang yan, papasok yan. Kaya tingnan natin tong ano dito guys. 2 at saka 2. Ayun. Pumasok yung dalawang yan. Kasi si 2 na ID guys, parehong nakay customer yan. Pareho din nakay order yan. Okay? Pero ang sinasabi natin, ang masusunod si customer. Alright? Pag nakay customer, papasok. Paano kung nakay customer na wala kay kay order? Papasok pa rin. Kaso nga lang, wala lang laman dun sa order at saka sa amount. Alright? Clear yan, guys? Okay, next. Si customer. May number 3 dito, guys. May number 3. Papasok ba to, guys, sa left join?
Yes, sir.
Yes, papasok siya. Kaso, we have to look at order. Nakay order ba si 3? May number 3 ba si order?
There's no
Wala
order for
tayong number, hindi nag-order sa order table natin. Wala tayong record na nag-order si number 3. But we still have to include that pag left join. Yes. Kasama pa rin dito sa left join natin, number 3. Ando doon yung first name at saka city, pero wala si order date at saka si amount. Okay, so that's how the left join works, guys. So left join, importante, alamin natin kung ano yung nasa left. Kasi yung nasa left, siya yung magdidictate kung anong papasok. Ipapasok pa rin ba natin nasa right? Yes. Ipapasok natin. Paano kung nasa left table pero nasa right, wala sa right table? Ipapasok pa rin natin yan, kaso missing yung dun sa sa right table. Kasi remember guys, pag left join, kasama yung mga lahat ng columns ng dalawang tables natin. Alright? Is that clear guys? So if you scroll down sa data natin dito, maraming mga may mga NA. Spot check lang tayo. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Lahat yan from 21 to 27 na kay customer yan. Customer ID. Customer table. Pero tingnan nga natin kay order, 21 up to 27. Meron ba siya dito? Wala, guys. Walang 21 to 27 dito sa order. No? Pero, isasama pa rin ba natin siya? Yes. Bakit siya isasama? Kasi pag left join, lahat ng nakay left table, which is customer, ipapasok natin yan. Kahit na wala siya dun sa right table, yes. Anong mangyayari? Yung nasa right table columns, missing lang siya, NA siya. Okay guys, clear? Hello, clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yan, good. Okay. Actually, sa simula parang nakakalito siya, pero once you get the logic of it, madali na yan, no? And mind you guys, maraming application to sa sa business, sa mga companies, gamit na gamit to kasi they will not provide the IT who is usually the database manager. Meron silang kunyari mga key tables from accounting, may key tables from finance, may key table from marketing, may key table from operations. Hiwa-hiwala yan. May mga key tables natin. And then, pag kailangan lang ng i-join, okay, yung data wrangling natin, kailangan lang ng data, ng table na andito yung mga fields, yung mga particular na columns, and then isi-SQL lang yan. SQL. Extract, ETL natin, extract, and transform and load. And then pag na-create na yung database na table niyan, and then ipoprocess na yan for further computation, etc., etc., etc. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay. All right. Before we leave this one, again, my question, paano naman kung, okay, we do this, paano kung nabaliktad, guys? So, insert ulit tayo, ha? What if the order is reversed? So, insert tayo ng code. Right? Copy natin to, guys. Copy natin. Control C. Control V.
Tapos nagpa-farming siya.
Control C. Control V.
Nag-aalala ka siya baboy eh. Yung mga pinapadala niya kay Gerald for night party. Ayun siya. Umiyak na yata siya.
Sino ba yung nakaano? Paki-mute muna. Sino ba yun? Si Errol. Si Errol, si Trisha.
Saan na yan?
Trisha, nakaano ka yata? Yan. Thank you. Okay, so ang ginawa natin dito, order, pinagpalit natin si order naman yung nasa left, customer, left join natin siya. We have to change this. Control X, ilipat ko siya dito. Control V. Tapos, Control V. Si order. Kulang to, customer. Alright. We named it. Alright. So without running this first, guys, ano kaya magiging difference nito? Left join, guys, sino yung bida dyan? Pag left join, laging bida yung left table, yung nauuna, no? And this time, si order ang bida dito, no? So, ang mangyayari dyan, lahat ng elements na nakay order, dapat ando dun siya, no? Papasok siya. Okay? Kung meron kay order, tas wala kay, kay customer, papasok pa rin yun, kaso not applicable or missing kay customer. Right. So, let's run this. Okay. Tingnan nyo, guys. Tingnan natin idea. So what's happening here, guys? Ang naging basis natin ngayon, si order. No? 2. Okay. Naka-order yan, di ba? Pumasok siya. Since meron din yan kay customer, papasok siya. What happened to number 1? Customer number 1, guys. Ano nangyari kay customer? Kasi may ID customer number 1 eh. But what happened to that? Ba't nawala siya dito, guys?
Sir, I think you viewed the wrong file, the wrong code, sir.
Ha? Mali ba? Wait. Mali? Why? Order.
Never mind, sir. I think. Because mine has, sir. Meron sa akin for customer 1.
Left join tayo, Tapos, pinalitan mo, yung order. Dapat order dito, tapos left join customer.
Yes, sir.
View, order, customer, ID, left join. Okay. ID. Should one appear? Nag-appear sa'yo, she?
I never mind, sir.
Ha?
I viewed the wrong file pala, sir.
Oo, hindi mag-a-appear
Viewed the
yun.
wrong file.
You know what? Okay, thank you for that question, Shia. Let's discuss that, no? Why didn't I expect number 1 to appear, guys? why didn't I expect ID number 1 to appear in when I left joined order tapos customer? Kasi guys, ang bida sa left join pag order ang inano natin, ang bida diyan si order table, no? So dapat ang papasok lang lahat ng andi dito. Yan. E tingnan nyo, may 21 to 27 ba dito kay order? Guys, may ID 21 to 27 ba? Hello? May ID 3 ba? 3, 4 kay order?
sir.
No, sir.
Wala.
None, sir.
Tingnan natin ha. Oh, meron ba dito 3, 4? Walang 21 to 28. Bakit? Bakit kanina nung customer tapos ID nag-appear yon? Okay? So parang ganito lang yun guys. Ha? Parang pabidahan lang yan. Pag ilinef join natin si order tapos si customer, ang bida dyan si order. So in other words, lahat ng nakay-order papasok. Eh paano kung nakay-customer siya tapos wala siya kay order? Chapwera yon, no? Remember, pag left join tapos unahin natin si order takes the precedence. Order takes the role, no? Siya yung bida. So lahat ng nakay-order papasok. Kuha guys? Paano ko yung nakay-order tapos wala kay customer? Papasok pa rin. Take a look at this. Let's scroll down guys. There. And notice ano nangyari. Dito marami oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, dito si 93 guys, si 93. May sa kay order may ID number 93. Tapos si 93 guys, wala kay customer yan eh. Kasi hanggang ID number 91 lang kay customer. So, hindi siya papasok dito. Get you guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, pag left join guys, ang tinitingnan natin, ang nagiging bida yung yung unang table. Now, what does this say about us? Ang ano dito, yung practical question na to, bakit walang ID number kay customer? Diba? Kasi si customer dapat it's supposed to be the table which lists all the customers. So ibig sabihin, kung actual to guys, may mali dun sa hindi na-update yung customer table, no? Okay? So that's the implication. Kasi kung customer table siya, dapat lahat ng mga instances ng mga customers ando doon. But it so happens here that may sa order table may customer ID 93, 94, etc. Pero wala naman siya dun sa customer table kaya nag-NA tayo. So this was just made for purposes of illustration. In reality guys, a good database manager should not have missing values like this dun sa customer table niya. Kasi dapat yung customer table, yun dapat yung naka-list down yung lahat ng yung unique list ng mga customers, no? Kuha nyo guys, hindi pa pwede guys, may uulit-ulit dyan. Hindi pa pwedeng dalawang number 5 dito. Si Ketty at saka Ketty ulit at saka Texas. That's not a normalized table. No? Pag yung customer table natin, it lists down all your customers, dapat unique list lang yan, unique instance ng customer natin. Hindi pwedeng dumoble. Alright, is that clear guys? Clear ba so far?
Clear po.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yung iba, guys, paki-feedback kung okay, kung clear so far.
Clear, sir.
Okay. All right, thank you. So, puntan tayo dito, guys. Next.
So far, clear, sir.
Salamat. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the feedback. Okay, yung right join naman, guys, opposite lang yan ni left join. Si right join, ang bida naman yung right table, yung pangalawang table. So, reverse lang siya. In fact, inverse functions ni left join. We'll see in a while, no? So, si right join or right outer join, it also includes the columns of both data sets. It closely resembles a left outer join, except with the treatment of tables reversed. So, any output in left join, you can also do it in right join. Okay? Pareho lang yan, only that nare-reverse lang yung order. No? Okay, except with the treatment of tables reversed. Every row from the right table will appear in the joined table at least once. If no matching rows from the left table exists, null will appear in the columns from A from those records that have no record in B. A right outer join returns all the values from the right table and matched with the values from the left table. Okay, guys? So, ano lang siya, parang reverse mo lang, no? Okay, sige. By way of example, para ano natin to? Okay. Right join, customer, order, ID. Okay, sino bida dito, guys? Sino bida?
Order, sir.
Si order ang bida dito. Okay? So, this one, guys, this one, it's equivalent to what? Pakita natin dito. Mag-insert tayo dito ng insert ng R. Okay. Left join. Okay. Order. Customer. Okay. Take a look at these two codes, guys. Anong difference sila? Right join. Customer and then order. Sino bida dito? Yung nasa right, si order. Ito naman, left join. Order, then customer. Sino bida? Si order. Oh. So will we yield the same table?
Yes, sir. Same
Yes.
table, sir.
Same table lang. Ano lang difference? Tingnan natin ha, guys ha. So mag-right join muna tayo. Si customer daw muna, tapos si order. But since naka-right join tayo, ang bida dito ang titingnan natin si order. Dapat lahat ng elements ni order pasok. Kung may element si customer na wala si order, hindi papasok 'yon. Kung may element si order na wala kay customer, papasok ba, guys? Ulitin ko yung question ha. Ando dun siya kay order. Ando dun siya kay customer. Papasok ba? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Ando dun siya kay customer. Ando dun siya kay order, pero wala siya kay customer. Papasok ba yung element na yun, yung data na yun?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And wala siya kay order, na kay customer siya. Papasok ba yun?
No, sir. It won't.
No, it won't. Okay? Ganun lang yan, guys, no? So, it's pretty simple lang naman. So, i-run natin to. Okay, so tingnan natin, no? So, re-night join natin si customer tas order. But take note, guys, sinong unang pinasok? No? Sinong unang column yung pinasok?
Order.
Customer.
Si customer muna. Tingnan nyo. Kasi yung customer yung nauna dito, tapos order. Pero ang bida dito si order. Although customer was listed first, but since we are right joined, guys, okay, ang bida si order. Ibig sabihin, lahat na naka-order, papasok. Pero ang listing niya, yung columns muna ng customer, and then kay order. Kuha ba, guys? Okay, and then,
Yes, sir.
let's run this one. Ito naman. Okay, tingnan nyo ha, may mga NAs dito. Anong ibig sabihin ng mga NAs dito?
Missing value, sir.
Okay, naka-order siya. Right? Tama ba?
Yes, sir. Order.
Naka-order siya pero wala siya kay
Customer.
Yes. Okay? So, going down here, let's compare. Ito, anong lalabas dito, guys? Ano yung listing ng ano? Ano yung listing ng columns natin?
Order then customer, sir.
Order than customer. Sino yung bida dito?
Order, sir.
Si order. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng elements ni order, ando dyan. So, it will be the same as this one, no? Okay? Pareho lang siya. Only that, nauna yung order, tapos yung amount, tapos first name, at saka city. But it's exactly the same. Okay? If we created an object, guys, makikita natin na pareho lang yung pareho lang yung laman yan. Okay, clear so far, guys?
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. Good. So, okay tayo sa let me just Alright, ito naman guys, yung gagawa tayo ng we created an object. Okay, customer, order, ID, right joined, customer muna. Ito, guys, this is exactly the same as this one, no? Okay, again, ang difference lang nito, dito nag-create tayo ng object ng customer ID, order ID, right joined. Ito naman, hindi tayo nag-create ng object na yon. So if I run this, okay. Again, guys, since right joined to, kung sino yung nasa right table, kumpleto yung details yan. So if I scroll down, okay, lahat ng nasa order table at saka amount, kumpleto yan, no? Yan, tingnan nyo, guys. Ang wala, guys, yung sa customer, may mga missing. Okay? And we said, what does that indicate? Nasa order siya, pero wala siya kay customer. Papasok pa rin yung sa right join natin. Okay, clear, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear po.
Okay, next. Ito yung pinakamadali, no? Full join. Okay, si full join naman, pasok nyo lahat, no? Conceptually, a full outer join combines the effect of applying both left and right join. So parang pinagsama siya na left join at saka right join. Okay? So dito na tayo sa pangalawa, guys. So nag-create ako dito, customer, order, ID, full join. So ang nasa left table natin, customer, and then full join natin kay order by ID. Then let's view it. Okay. Ano nangyari dito, guys? Any comments, guys?
Everything in the two data set was combined, sir.
Kinombine lahat. Yung nasa left joint at saka yung nasa right joint, pinagsama lahat, no? So for example, ito guys, ito na kay customer, pero wala kay kay order. Kasama yan. Okay. Ito naman, nasa ilalim, okay, yung mga NAs dito, wala ito kay customer, pero na kay order siya. Kasama lahat, no? Alright? Clear, guys. So kapag full join, guys, lahat yan, no? So that's why ito 349 entries. Yung inner join is, ilan lang yon, no? Tingnan natin, ha? Inner join is, okay, inner join. Okay. Just 55, no? Kasi pag inner join, lahat lang ng common sa kanila. No? Yung full joint naman, guys, okay, here. Regardless kung nakay yan, kung nakay customer, o kung nakay kung nakay order, kasama lahat yan. So you have here 349 observations all in all. Okay, so si full join ang pinaka madali, no? Lahat isasama. Okay, any questions with that, guys? Okay, there are two others, guys. Si semi-join at saka si anti-join. Actually, may iba pa, no? There's still combinations. Kunyari, may left semi-join, right semi-join, pero we'll not go there. Importante, guys, maintindihan natin semi-join. Kasi pag naintindihan natin semi-join at saka anti-join, medyo yung combination yan kakayanin natin. Alright, so ano naman si semi-join? It's a join between two sets of data or tables where rows from the first set are returned based on the presence or absence of at least one matching row in the other set. Okay, medyo mahirap yung maintindihan definition, pero let's just run this. Okay, ito na lang muna. Okay, semi-join. Nasa left table customer, nasa right table order, and then by ID. Let's see how different this is. Okay. Ano na notice nyo guys?
There's only three columns, sir.
3 columns, okay? So, sino i-return niya, guys? Pag semi-join, ang i-return niya yung kay customer, no? Yung nasa left table. Okay, guys? Tama? Notice hindi niya pinasok dito yung column ni order. First name lang at saka city. But what's so distinct about this? Anong process ang ginamit, anong ginawa dito?
It's like inner join, sir, but there's no redundancy. Like there's 2 orders for Marcella, but it only did one of the
Okay.
order.
Yeah, that's correct. See, no? It's like inner join. Inner join in the sense that ang ilalagay lang dito yung common sa kanila. Okay, since ID number 1 is present in customer but not present in order, so wala yon. How about si number 2, guys?
There are 2 for Marcella, sir.
Oo, dalawa. Kaso ang ilalagay lang yung first instance. Okay? So may number 2 ba ID kay customer? Yes. May number 2 ba kay order? Yes. Ilang beses nag-appear si customer? Si ID number 2 kay customer? Isa lang. Ilang beses nag-appear yan kay order?
Twice, sir.
Twice. Okay? Pero ang lalabas lang dyan, yung first instance. No? Yung first instance lang. Okay? And besides, guys, it doesn't matter. Yung pangalawa kasi, since hindi naman natin ipapasok si order, the second one does not matter kasi magiging pareho lang yon. You get me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Diba? Okay, tingnan natin ha. Balikan ko to ha. Okay. So, si order. Ha? Tingnan natin si order. Okay, yung number 2, guys, kay order, okay, 2. Okay, si number 7, 3. Right? Ngayon, kapag semi-join, guys, yung unang table, again, siya yung yung masusunod, no? Okay, so balikan ko yon. Ito saan na yung ano natin? Ay, hindi ko pala inano. Okay, let's take a look at this. Alright, semi-join tayo, di ba? So, ang basis yan si customer. So, si customer, okay, kay customer, guys, isa lang yung instance ng mga ng mga ID. Hindi siya nagre-repeat. So, yun ang magiging basis natin. Kahit na kay order 2 beses, kunyari, merong dalawang beses umorder si ID o si 7 3 beses, it doesn't matter, guys. Ang susundin lang dyan, isang instance lang ni 2. Bakit? Kasi, ang tinitingnan natin, yung unique elements ni customer. Pag nagdalawang 2 pa tayo dito, pareho lang yon, di ba? 7, si ID number 7 times na kay order, pero isang beses lang natin i-list dito yon. Right? In other words, guys, it's like your customer table, okay, na unique list ng mga customers na may order. Nakuha niyo, guys? Nakuha niyo ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tingnan niyo dito. Kay order may 93 eh, di ba? May 94, may mga higher than 90 plus, pero hindi siya pinasok dito. Bakit? Kasi ano, guys, wala siya kay customer. So yung sinasabi nga ni Shi kanina, it's like the inner join. Dapat pareho silang meron, pero isang beses lang yung ipapasok dito yung ID number. So masusunod yung yung pag-record kay primary na isang beses lang rina-record yung ano yung yung customer. Okay? At sige, i-create natin guys. Create natin na this object semi-joined. Okay. So yun, guys. Okay? Isang beses lang nag-appear yung ID na meron din kay order. All right. What happens if we reverse this? Again, guys, what happens if we reverse the order? Let's do that. Insert tayo ng, let's copy this, Control C, and then ipalit natin. So lahat ng order gagawin kong customer. So mauuna si order, order, order. Okay. Okay, what happens here, guys? Semi-joined to, pero na-reverse yung order natin. Okay, let's run this. Okay, what happened, guys?
It's similar to the previous one, sir, but the columns is more focused on the order, the given in the data order.
How different is this from the order table? Tingnan natin sa order table, ah. How different is it from the order table? Sa order table, guys, merong instance na mga IDs na 300 plus, diba? Right? Lahat kasi ng orders ang dito. Guys. Pero, yung semi-join, ang nangyari? Bakit limited lang ito, guys? Kasi ang pinapasok lang dito, guys, yung common. Remember, ang semi-join, guys, parang inner join din yan. No? So, ang papasok lang dito, yung common sa pareho. Okay? Common sa pareho. Tapos, but what's now the difference between yung kaninang semi-join na nauna si customer kaysa dito? Nauna si order. Well, for one, guys, ang papasok dito yung columns ni order. Okay? Papasok dito yung columns ni order. Right? But then again, bakit siya, anong mawawala dito? Mawawala dito, guys, yung mga elements na nakay customer. Okay? Yung dapat, guys, yung meron lang pareho din kay customer. No? Kasi semi-join, guys, is like inner join na dapat yung common sa dalawa. You follow, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I understand, guys, kung medyo nakakalito yung concept. It's okay, guys. Don't be tawag dito? What's a verb for that? Don't be discouraged, ha? Kasi sa simula talaga nakakalito naman talaga yan eh. Lalo na yung yung semi-join at saka yung huli yung anti-join, which we're going to look into now kasi magta-time na tayo, no? Okay, the last one is this one. Ano naman yung anti-join? So yung anti-join, guys, those in the first data set but not in the second data set. It only includes the columns of the first data set and not the second data set. Okay, may similarity siya kay semi-join. But what's the difference? So sige, i-run natin to, guys. Si anti-join, customer muna, tapos order by ID. And let's try to decipher what's the difference between semi-join and anti-join. Okay, let's run this. Ano na notice you guys?
Sir,
Yes.
it includes the ones na wala sa order pero meron sa customer.
Yes, that's it, no? So, in a sense, guys, opposite siya nitong no? Tingnan natin yung semi-join natin. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 yung first instance na to. Dito naman 2, 5 lahat, guys, lahat ng wala, no? Lahat ng wala kay kay order, pinasok niya dito, anti, no? Gets it, guys? Okay, tingnan natin to. 1, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17. Tingnan natin kay order yan. 1, 3, 4, 10. Okay. May 1 ba dito kay order? Guys? Hello? I'm looking at the order table. May 1 ba dito?
No, sir.
May 3 ba dito?
No, sir.
4.
No, sir.
10, 11, 12. Notice you guys, lahat ng wala kay order, yun ang pinasok ni anti-joint. Parang talagang galit-galit sila, no? Yun ang, pag iniisip ko yung anti-joint, guys, ganun ang iniisip ko eh. Anti-joint is galit si customer, guys. Saan na siya? Ay, hindi ko pala no? Okay, hindi natin rinan yung yan. Anti, parang ang basa ko diyan, guys, para ako to help me understand what yung yung table na mangyayari. Lahat ng na kay customer, tapos yung wala kay order. So itong mga ID na to, guys, lahat yan na kay customer, na wala dun kay order. Okay, anong practical nito? Practical let's say practical implication. O kunyari, sa company nyo na may mga sales kayo, tapos gusto niyang malaman, sino yung mga customers natin na hindi umo-order? The anti-join yan, di ba, guys? Isn't it, guys? May list ka ng mga customers, tapos may list ka ng mga orders. Tapos gusto mo malaman, sino yung mga nasa customer base natin na hindi umo-order sa atin? O di mag-anti-join ka, i-anti-join mo si customer mo at saka si order. Ang lalabas dyan, yung mga customers nyo na wala dun sa order. Ibig sabihin, these are the customers in your database that did not order for a particular period na hindi bumili sa inyo. So anong gamit? Well, maybe for marketing purposes, guys, for promotional purposes. Maybe your marketing department, your sales department should now be calling these customers, no? Baka hindi nila alam na may promotion yung company and so on and so forth. Ang daming practical applications, guys. So what I want to say, guys, is that hindi lang tayo nagde-data wrangling o gumagamit-gamit ng mga ganito just for the sake of just generating data like this. May mga implications sa business to, guys. There are some questions, these are actually may mga sinasagot na mga questions to. And management is helped by this process. Okay, so again, guys, yung dplyr as a tool sa data wrangling or database management. Number one, this is free, no? Ang mahal-mahal kaya ng mga software, Oracle, SAP, ang mahal-mahal. No? Now, many companies are migrating through R kasi free siya. Imagine kung if it will help the company save hundreds of millions or tens of millions for the use of of proprietary softwares just to wrangle the data. Ito free na eh. We were interviewing some students last night, magmamasters. Tapos yung iba from different companies, from different banks. Tapos I always ask them kung ano yung mga software na ginagamit nila. And 99% sinasabi, sir, nag-R kami. Well, that's a good barometer na ginagamit talaga yung R even by big companies. Kasi they see they have seen the light, they have seen the power of this. Kaya guys, I'd really like to encourage you to really learn. Do not just content yourself with what we're discussing here. Ang dami na namang tutorial sa internet, no? You do yourself a favor by learning more, and you'll see, guys, you'll never go wrong. Later on, if you marami naman sa inyo, guys, magiging part of the corporate world, no? Konti lang yung nagiging entrepreneur, no? Nag-venture into an entrepreneurial plots or entrepreneurial ventures. 99% really go into the corporate world. So this is a parang hindi na siya nagiging parang nice to have, nice to know. Hindi na siya ganun. It has become a requirement. Na magiging disadvantage na, guys, kung hindi nyo alam. Okay? All right. So we end our discussion there on dplyr. I hope, guys, you learned yung yung filter, mutate, yung mga group by. Okay? I hope you learned something there. And we now go. We have a few more minutes, guys. Let me just go now to quickly. Let me go. Anong oras ba? Just to make sure. Okay, we have 8 minutes. Let me go to. Okay. Na-download nyo ba, guys, yung Nag-send pa ako ng isang file. Okay. Buwasan ko muna itong mga na-generate natin ng mga okay. All right. Okay, did you get this, guys? Paki-download siya. Okay. We begin our discussion of EDA. EDA means exploratory data analysis, and as usual, we're going to use R. So EDA is a process of analyzing and visualizing the data. That's good, guys. Kaya nga good na sinimula natin si ggplot at saka si dplyr kasi magagamit natin for EDA. Sorry. So yung mga common natin na ginagawa sa exploratory data analysis is you import the data, clean the data, process it, and visualize it. Okay, so that's EDA in a nutshell, guys. Exploratory data analysis. Now we're going to use the data set that's coming from a Kaggle. Are you familiar with Kaggle, guys? So buksan natin, guys, sa internet. Okay. Paki-ano nyo, guys, yung Kaggle. Kaggle.com. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yung Kaggle, guys?
Yes po.
Okay. So Kaggle, guys, is a database. Okay. It's a database that contains several data sets, no? Maraming data sets na kay Kaggle. So, mag-register muna kayo dito. Sorry, nakalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo na mag-register kayo. Kasi isa sa magiging assignment nyo guys is to choose a data set from this. Kasi ang daming data dito. If I click this, okay, thousands of data is available here. So magpo-post ako ng Google Sheet sa ano natin. Tapos you'll write there the data set that you're going to use. Tapos dapat walang repetition, first come first serve guys. And then I'll ask you to do something with the data, either mag-ggplot kayo or mag-dplyr kayo. So choose a data that's good for for data visualization and data wrangling. Yeah. So ang dami yan guys. Many data set available in Kaggle, and what's good is that it's free. So i-search natin dito si PISA. Actually, andyan na, no? PISA. PISA scores. Okay, PISA scores. All right. So this is the site for PISA. PISA is Program for International Student Assessment. So, nagbibigay sila ng test sa mga 300 students per country. Tapos, dinidetermine nila yung math, tsaka reading, at tsaka English competency ng country na yon. So, paki-download yan, guys. Although, inano ko na, no? Hindi ko in-upload kasi I want you to be the one to download it. So, paki-download yan. We'll start with this next meeting kasi time na. But kindly download the data. Pag dinownload niyan guys, makakakuha kayo ng zip file. Tapos i-unzip nyo. Tapos dalawang CSV file ang makukuha nyo. One CSV file is on yung description ng data. And the other one is the data itself. Pakita ko lang guys kung ano yung laman ng data na yon. I think I have it here. And this one. Still have 3 minutes. Okay, can you see the screen, guys? Can you see the CSV file?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ito yung laman ng data niyan from Kaggle, no? We're choosing this file kasi madumi yung data, no? Madumi yung database. Okay, this is not a normalized database. Bakit hindi siya normalized, guys? Sige nga, tanong ko nga kayo. Bakit hindi siya normalized? Okay, number one, hindi siya normalized kasi you have several instances here of Albania. Ayan, no? Okay, paulit-ulit sa Albania, Algeria. Pag normalized kasi yan, dapat isang instance lang yan. In other words, dapat may mga columns ka na lang to record whatever these numbers are. Kasi ito, guys, ito, lahat to Albania eh. Okay? A normalized data will have Albania as one, isang ano dyan, tapos yung mga data niya, naka-columns, no? So you have several variables, whatever this is. Measurement yata, PISA ng math. This is yata general. Tapos math, female. Math, male, reading, then reading female, reading male. So these are scores, I think, no? So if you take a look down here, Philippines, ano ba yung Philippines? Dito ba? Yan. Wala tayong record. Siguro hindi tayo hindi tayo sumali. Okay? Walang record ng scores ng PISA on the Philippines. Yung ibang countries wala din. Okay, so this is a good data to handle kasi maraming missing. Tapos may mga characters na may mga characters na hindi naman acceptable, guys, kasi these are special characters. Okay, so we're going to work on this. We're going to do exploratory data analysis with this one. So that's what we're going to do next meeting. Okay, so yung take-home quiz nyo, guys, I'll be posting it later, and then my deadline yan. I'm still deliberating kung magbibigay na ako ng 2 o 1 muna. So let me see, no? Let me see. I'll decide later. Okay, so any questions, guys? Eksakto yung time natin. Any questions?
None, sir.
Alright, so tingnan nyo, guys, medyo basahin nyo na itong code natin. Hindi ko, guys, linagay yung code, no? Hindi ko linagay yung code dito para ito yung gagawin natin next meeting. Pa-practicein natin siya. Then I only included here around 100 lines kasi yun ang tinatansya ko na matatapos natin. I think I overshot it. So I'm going to give a file na lang na yung may continuation nito, and then ipopost ko na lang. Okay? So thank you so much, guys, for coming, and I'll see you next meeting, and then please expect an announcement about your quiz later. No?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank
Thank
you,
you,
guys.
sir.
Sige, stay safe, guys. Stay safe.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.